To assign a new create rule table to your pieces, use the function create assign table. Press spacebar, then you get a list of all existing create rule tables. Select the one that you want to choose and confirm. Draw a frame over your pieces that should receive the new create rule table and confirm with your left click. As you can see on my cursor, the new create rule table is now displayed. You can also see the given create rule table in the object properties in the second row. If you have to add later on a piece with the same create rule table, the second way is you can just place your cursor on a piece with the correct create rule table, press spacebar and enter, and left click onto the missing piece.